Alright guys, so you know, on this channel, we like to show the good with the bad, and this is one of those moments where I didn't do a very good job on something. As you can see, we painted Devin's badges here a while back, and although we scuffed it, primed it, and did our best, these things did not hold up. Devin was saying they did last for a few months, and then the winter hit, is that what you're saying? The winter hit, chipped it up, so we are gonna be actually replacing these badges. Dev has a new set, we'll get those, we'll show them. So these are for a 2024 Elantra. These are actually manufactured by Hyundai, and as you can see, they're black. So we're gonna be installing these today. We're thinking these will hold up a lot better for us. Did you bring your own floss? Here, come right up.
Got like a quarter of the way there pretty quickly.
I feel like OEM 3M is, yeah, I feel like typically the store-bought stuff doesn't quite hold up as well as...
Hey man, it held on through some pretty aggressive driving.
Mint.
Wash that up.
Yeah, we'll clean that up good. Hit this with some clay and get it all shiny again. I love that they trim this back. We don't run that risk of... Last time, guys, I don't know if you saw in the video or not, we got clay trapped under here, and the PPF guys fixed that up for Dev real nice. They trimmed it back a little bit, so we'll be really careful of that too. But yeah, water, soap, clay, I'll get that all cleaned and throw the new one on there. All right, guys, so Devin's car is a 2022. It does not have the holes for the insert on the badge here, so we're actually going to be trimming these back because his is just a stick-on flat. Depending on which Elantra you guys have, you might need to do this as well. So we're basically just going to use our Dremel, cut this in as close as we can, and then we'll have a little bit of a nub back. We'll sand that pretty much flat, and we should have a nice fit. So that's what we're doing. Here we go. Oh, hold on. This one's for Uncle Taylor. Alright guys, there we go. Hopefully this sits nice and flush. I would recommend leaving the red backing on the tape. It gives you a good gauge. Just in case you slip a little bit over, you will see I got right there. It gives you a nice little buffer in case you do slip over just a little bit. But other than that, we're looking pretty good here. It should fit nice and flush, so we're gonna try and test mount these.
That looks like it.
What's up?
Looks like it'll be fine.
Perfect. That looks awesome.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take the tape off then.
Cool. Looks good.
That's it.
Man, does that look good.
I did the back one too if you want to go get a shot of that.
Oh, you already did it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. So guys, this is the same as the other. This is just a pop out and pop on. This one looks, Dev said this is super easy.
Yeah, so there's through holes here, so you don't need to take the pins down.
Yep, yeah, no trimming necessary on these guys. They just clip in. There wasn't even any tape, or there was tape. There was tape, okay. All right, cool. Awesome, guys. There it is. Easy badge replacement from a 2022 to the 2024 black flat badges on this one. This one's probably gonna end up being a shorter video, but if you guys did enjoy it, made it this far, or if you found it useful at all, please feel free to like down below, subscribe for more just like it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.